Struggling to eat healthy with a busy schedule? Don't worry. Here are 5 easy meal prep ideas to help you stay on track all week. Let's get started. First up, breakfast. Try overnight oats with chia seeds, honey, and fresh berries. Just mix, refrigerate, and enjoy in the morning. Or make egg muffins packed with veggies for a high-protein start to your day. For lunch, prep a quinoa and veggie bowl with chickpeas and a lemon dressing. Or go for a grilled chicken salad. Simple, nutritious, and filling. Dinner time. Stir-fry tofu with rice for a plant-based option. Or enjoy baked salmon with roasted veggies. Both are easy to make and super healthy. Need quick snacks? Prep some energy balls with oats and peanut butter. Or grab a yogurt bowl with fruits. And don't forget to stay hydrated with detox water or a refreshing smoothie. And that's it. 5 easy meal prep ideas to keep you eating healthy all week. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy meal ideas. See you next time.